Maya tag video po.
And welcome to Marvin and Kimberly's wedding ceremony. Ladies and gentlemen, I believe he's one of the happiest dahil ikakasal na po siya sa kanyang minamahal. A big round of applause, of course, for the groom, Mr. Marvin Velasco, together with his parents, Mr. and Mrs. Meliton and Vilma Velasco. Bride, everybody, may we request all of you to please rise. Everybody, tumayo naman po tayo naman. And let's be mesmerized by the beauty of the bride. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting Miss Kimberly Jaime, the beautiful bride. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for the beautiful bride. Miss Kimberly Jaime. Hindi kayo bumibili.
bibilang tayong lahat. Okay? Ulitin natin from the top. Wala akong naririnig eh. Okay, ulitin natin from the top. Again, in 10. Yun. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. Nasa po si Maid of Honor? Maid of Honor, hindi na po dito Maid of Honor. Ang Maid of Honor, kailangan po maayos yung palda ni Brian. Para po maganda sa camera. Hindi ko po napansin ngayon lang. Ulitin natin lang yan. Kailangan mo aayusin. O, diba? Ganyan ang role ng Maid of Honor. Thank you very much, Ma'am Melody. Okay. So, all set na. Okay na tayo. Oh, last na. Again, in 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5. Ay, mali pa naman. Pababa pala tayo. Sorry. Nakalimutan ko yan. Yun ako.